Hello, hello. So I'm just going to kind of go over just some of the treatments I use on my hair to help strengthen it. A lot of people talk about the Ayurvedic or the kind of like some of the ancient Indian and African sort of treatments that they use. Amla powder is definitely one of them. So essentially what I do, there's so many different recipes for this. So for this one, I'm going to do Amla powder. I'm going to do some hemp seed oil. You can see it, hemp seed oil. And some water, H2O. This is like filtered water. And I'm going to make a paste. And I'm going to let it sit on my head for about 30 to 45 minutes. And of course, I'm going to wet my hair, saturate it and that's when I'll put the paste on and I'll put like a little conditioning cap. So just this product, it just helps to strengthen your hair. And again, it's like amla amla fruit is also known as Indian Gooseberry. It comes from a small tree that grows throughout India. There's an excellent natural conditioner and nourisher for the hair. Regular use of Alma Powder may help to strengthen hair roots, which in turn may help to reduce hair fall. Besides hair care, Alma Powder can also be used for skin care, as it is a natural astringent. So I've never used Alma Powder on my skin, like on my face, but I definitely used it in some other different powders for hair and different things like that, just to kind of strengthen my hair. Like I said, I'm getting excited. I've been watching all these videos on locks and doing research, and I'm just so excited. Like I said, I don't know whether I'm going to go to the salon to get them started or do it myself, but I'm enjoying my loose curl too, and I want to make sure that's natural. I'm drinking enough water. I'm eating, a more clean keto diet and exercising and things like that. So just, come along with me. Okay. So this is kind of the paste. It's kind of messy. So just realize that. And you make the paste for your consistency. And I'm just going to, I've already kind of wet my hair downstairs. Here we go. Let me put a little bit more. Okay, this is good. I was going to say, I may put a little bit more water. It's a little, okay, that's good. Someone saw me. I was cleaning. I do cleaning at my job, as a part-time, as a moonlighting, and I do security or escorting. And I hadn't seen, we're on these weird schedules at work, and someone saw me. They were like, "Your hair is growing." I'm like, really? And I think honestly, the last time I saw this person was in March or something like that. So I'm going to keep this on for I'm going to do some other cleaning. Everything is kind of crazy now, guys. Not crazy. Thank God. I mean, the way it's the technology, I'm glad we have it, but then it's I don't know. Everything's balanced, So I'm glad we can still stay connected to our loved one and our friends. Yep, this is going to be clean day. And so as most of us Black people, people of African descent, we have could have different textures. Seems like I have a looser texture on the outer perimeter, and it gets more tighter and nappier as I get in the middle, which I love it all. Sometimes I look at us, and I guess everybody does this, but just wish we had more, or at least in my family, more understanding of our backgrounds and what part of Africa we came, and just how, what our lineage is. I'm pretty sure that goes into all of the stuff that is Just as part of the pain, you know, being black in America, just being black. Just the history of all of the trauma we've dealt with. Oh man. I use the hemp seed oil. Sometimes I use coconut oil or olive oil. Just trying to make sure I get it through all of my hair. And if your hair is longer, you may want to, you know, just kind of make the consistency for what you have. Like I said, it's really, really, and I don't know if any of you guys dealt with henna. I do henna treatments too. I haven't done one in like over a year, I think, but those are really messy. Just washing my hands. You know what I can smell? I can smell that hemp seed oil. The smell is kind of like a fruit smell, you know? So I'm going to be doing this treatment. I think I'm going to do it weekly. And then I'm going to show you guys another treatment I do with rice. I guess everybody does it, but and I can show you how I make my sort of rice treatment. So that's it. So I'm going to keep this on for about 30, 40, maybe even an hour. I'm just going to do some cleaning up. And that's it. So I kind of like to stay on a lot longer than I thought I would. So just wanted to give you guys, I let it stay on for like about 2 or 3 hours. So this is kind of how it looks. I'm about to wash my hair, do my regular wash day. So this is kind of how it looks. It does look like my hair is grown. Okay, well, I just want to show you. I may follow up with I think this is it. But this is kind of how it looks in the back. Okay, wash my hair. Yeah. So I finished washing my hair. You all can see. You all can see how I get my little TV Afro. Yeah, that's a really, so I'm going to try to do that. I have like 2 boxes of that. So I think I can make this stretch over maybe 2 months. And I'll be doing my rice water rinse as well. But I'm trying to, you guys saw me doing my product junkie. This is an oldie but goodie. It's actually pretty good. It's a pro vitamin leave-in treatment. So I have a little bit left. And of course, so I just take some of that. Take some of that. And I put that on there. Got a wide tooth comb. Just take your time to be gentle with your hair. Just kind of combing my fro out. Or picking my fro. Take time. Love it. It just feels good. Clean hair feels really, really good. No, I gotta find my pick now that my hair is this length. I probably could just, kind of really use a pick it out, but I love it. And that's kind of it, guys. This is gonna be my routine for until I lock my hair, and I'm pretty sure my routine I'll learn, and I'll show you guys the rice water rinse um, that I do. Yeah, I feel like I'm in the '70s or something. I'm in like a movie. I'm just rocking, and I've been natural for I told you guys, I think over 10 years, 11 years. I went 39, so 11 years, and it's been such a journey. I love it. Um, I could just let yourself I heard that there's going to be a Coming to America too. I can't wait. That's true. Let yourself I just remember him Coming to America when Eddie Murphy was sitting there. He said, "What do you put in your hair?" He said, "I just put juices and berries." And I forget what he said. It was just, he played all these characters, which is like hilarious. All right, guys. That's me combing through, making sure I can comb through, and pretty sure I'm gonna need a trim or something. I'm hoping when I do a consult with somebody to lock my hair, they can just do it all in one place. I wish I could go to Mr. Walters, Damien Walters, but I'm not trying to be out in these Roma streets and all this stuff. And I've been getting up the courage. I feel like I could start my locks myself, but I kind of like professionals. This is what people went and studied for. But it's like really good. Yeah, okay. Have my little fro. And I have this leave-in treatment. I normally just do this. When my hair dries a little bit, I may oil my scalp, once or twice a week. And if need, however long I need it, I put some I do use my shea butter on my Comet Biologics. I'm just trying to use a lot of my products. Yeah, or give, the other stuff I still waiting for gifted or may just donate it. But yeah, that's just this is it. My fro feels fro-alicious. And so this is really good. I kind of use a wide tooth comb, but your hair is supposed to shed. I forget a lot of hairs a day. But I love doing those treatments because it really kind of just strengthens your hair strand. And again, what you eat, your nutrition, and I'm trying to drink 100 ounces of water a day, or 60 to 100 is really. And I've been just kind of doing 60, which is good. Okay, but that's it. All right, guys. My son.